Hey, today I'm going to cook pan-fried king prawns. As a chef, always say that a great dish starts with great ingredients. So right here is the shop where I often come to buy fresh seafood. In my opinion, this is one of the best place if you want quality marine products. So let's go inside. Look, what a beautiful and fresh king prawns you can find here. Okay, so I want 1 kilo. Okay, bye-bye, thank you. This place never disappointed me. That's why I'm excited to recommend it to you. Mission accomplished. So, let's go to cook a wonderful pan-fried king prawns. Let's go!
Sizzling heat, the pan is alive. Flames dancing, watching stars. Gabriel in the kitchen, feels alive. Cooking magic, seafood try. Golden butterfly. Garlic whispers side by side. Olive oil starts to shine. Every move, pure design. Listen close, that crackling sound. Flavor rising all around. From the pan straight to the soul. Cooking is my only goal. Pan-fried king prawns. Feel the fire. Takes you higher and higher. From the sea to the flame. Lemon drops and herbs collide. Fresh aroma you can't hide. Every second builds the taste. Not a moment goes to waste. Turning one stone overdue. Timing perfect just for you. Simple steps but done with art. Cooking comes straight from the heart. Pan-fried king prawns. Feel the fire. Taste that takes you higher and higher. From the sea onto the flame. Chef Gabriel, remember the name. Radiant beauty, shining bright. Golden prawns, pure delight. From my hands onto your plate. This is more than food is fate.